Example 1 of evaluating algebraic expressions. We're given some algebraic expressions and the values for the variables. The process is essentially the same as it was before, with the addition of one extra step at the front, where we substitute for each value of the variable that we're given. Once we substitute, then we're just using the properties that we've learned in the past: distributive property, addition and subtraction of integers, multiplication of integers, so on and so forth. So it's really just that first step that's different. With part A, we have 3 times a plus b minus c. So we substitute the values that we're given. That equals 3 times, I'm going to use a bracket here, so it's always a good idea, especially when negative values are involved, to put all substitutions in parentheses. So a is 3 plus b is 2, and that's minus c is negative 3. So we'll simplify what's on the inside of the brackets first. 3 times 3 plus 2 is 5. And then minus negative 3, that's the same thing as plus 3. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 3, and that equals 18. So again, the process of simplifying is exactly the same as it was in the past. The first step is we have to substitute the values that were given for each variable. Part B, a minus c over b, or divided by b. So we'll substitute 3 minus negative 3 divided by b is 2. So that equals 3 plus 3 divided by 2, which equals 6 divided by 2, which equals 3. Part C, we're given 4d minus a, so 4 times, we substitute d equals 4, minus a equals 3, and that is 16 minus 3, which equals 13. And finally, part D, we're given c squared minus d, we substitute negative 3 for c, so negative 3 squared minus d equals 4. Negative 3 squared is 9, minus 4 equals 5.